Do you want to add a story to highlights on Instagram? You can add stories to Insta highlights with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a story to highlights on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your story at the top left corner of the home screen. If you don't have an active story, create a new one. While your story is playing, tap on the highlight icon, heart with a circle sign, at the bottom right of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear with options to add to an existing highlight or create a new one. If you want to add the story to an existing highlight, simply tap on the highlight name from the list. To create a new highlight, tap on New. Your story will now be saved as part of the highlight and will appear below your Instagram bio.